Stand right there. What we're going to do is we're going to measure the turn around.
Turn around. Do your job.
What we're going to do... Turn around. What we're going to do... Seriously?
Seriously.
Go stand over there.
Oh my God.
We're going to measure the distance between this spot and that. Turn around, please. We're going to measure from here to there. Nice gazebo for these fine people. I want you to just follow my lead. I want you to hold this, okay? A gazebo. What are you doing?
Tell me to fire me.
Go stand over there, please.
Oh
Let's try this again. Hold this. Ah, what are you doing?
That's fine.
Okay. I want you to hold this on that end. Okay?
It sounds like. Who's over there yelling? Is that you, Nina?
Pay attention. Hold this. And stay here. Stay here.
Stay here.
Hold that. Stay here. Say it.
Hold that.
All right, now put your end down.
Oh Lord.